Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi.
And this is...
Miles.
And this is another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something very interesting. I'll start off, it comes from...
Taiwan.
It comes from Taiwan. And this company is called PLN. And they sent me samples before. These are frozen samples. And they didn't quite make it in time until they thawed out, and the stuff they had in there to keep it cold was all room temperature and it just didn't work out so well. So they decided that they would try sending us more noodles, and they came today. That's good. And here's the box. This came via FedEx. It weighs a ton. And we are going to open it. So I need you guys to stand back. I don't want you to get cut. Here we go. This is really solid. This feels like there's a refrigerator in this box. I don't know what we have here, but it's heavy. This thing's so heavy, it has this weird handle on the side. I've never seen that before. Alright, so we've got this big box. It feels like it's wood or plastic. I'm really not sure what. It's almost like they'd sent a coffee table. This is kind of nice. All right, back up a little bit, guys. Ready, set,
Go.
whoa.
Wait, ice cold.
Wow, they didn't mess around. These are cold.
It's
Big
water.
cold packages with some kind of fluid. All right, and in all of this is this box. This box has
White.
packing peanuts. We have a bag. Well, it's cold. I'm okay with it. It's cold. I will review these. They're not frozen, but they're cold. They're very cold. So these are gonna hop in the freezer immediately after I let you guys have a quick look. We've got this, I don't know what this says, classic dry noodle and 66%. And here they are. I hope you can see that. I really hope you can. And then we have this one. This says spicy paste noodle. And they sent multiple packs of both kinds. If you want to send something and keep it cold through international borders, this is how you're going to do it. This is pretty intense. I'm really looking forward to reviewing these items from PLN. They're a Taiwanese company. One's a spicy paste noodle, one's a dry noodle, although they're fresh. And this thing weighs, I want to say, 80 pounds, 90 pounds. It's heavy. It's really heavy. It's a heavy, angry, very cold cube. It's probably the fanciest cooler I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, very cool. And those reviews will be coming up shortly. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been, and I want to wish you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.